Good morning, yo. It's about 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning. If it ain't smoking, it ain't right. Right? I got ribs, chicken, some hot links. I've been on the grill since 8 o'clock in the morning. So I got another slab of rib I got to cook up. But yeah, you see here the sizzles, right? That's how you want it. Rain or shine. It's raining. It was raining last night in the morning here in Fresno, right? So, but rain or shine, it ain't gonna stop me barbecuing. You feel me? I'm still barbecue no matter what. If you got a passion for it, you're gonna do whatever it takes, right, to barbecue. So it's the first session. Next session will be throw some barbecue sauce in there, and hot links looks about ready. Just gotta flip the rib, move the chickens around, but just close this lid and let it smoke. That's all we can do. And just wait. Like I said, if it ain't smoking, it ain't right. And we need that smoke. Let's open this lid up. You're gonna see a smoke. Exactly. This is exactly what you need. And the charcoal that you want to use when you barbecue is that mesquite charcoal. That mesquite, it's a slow burn, but it burns slow. So yeah, next session will be barbecue salt.